everyone. We are back. We're at Alfred Packer Saloon, Cannibal Grill. What an amazing place to eat.
Lake City, Colorado, one of my favorite places to go. This place is called the Cannibal Grill because Alfred Packer led an expedition to Lake City area, and the story is that he killed all the people that were with him and ate their bodies, which is kind of morbid, but you know, whatever. But the little saloon was really great. They had local beers. They had great outside seating with people could bring their dogs. They had a neat outside bar. It was just really cute, and they had gluten-free options for Miss Diana, which is always a win. And after this, then we go and we look at some hummingbirds on some flowers. There's hummingbirds everywhere. You could hear them buzzing around. They were really great. And we, of course, stopped for ice cream. That's what we try to do with every place we stopped on this trip. It was great.
Fantastic ride.
Don't do it.
No, so keep talking, Aaron.
Please keep going.
Keep using the puppet. That's right. Aaron, talk to us about the ride, man.
Oh, we're actually recording?
Yeah, I was actually recording. You don't have to be. It's still recording. You don't have to be off the screen to be recorded. It's still recording. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do with my hands. That's so funny.
It was a good ride.
Yeah.
Weather's awesome. Views were great.
Yeah.
Good roads. Nothing like too crazy like $1 million highway.
Yeah.
Level.
No. Yeah.
Not still fun.
2 lanes. Lovely to use. I love the curves too. They were unbelievable.
Next, have to bring the kids down here for vacation.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in Lake City right now, Lake City, Colorado. We're actually at, babe, where are we? San Juan Soda?
Yeah, I think.
San Juan Soda Company or something.
Packers Restaurant.
Yeah, and we also went to Packers Restaurant. If you get a chance to go eat there, it was fantastic. Our server was fantastic too as well. She was awesome. San Juan Soda Company, so you can kind of see around here. It looks really cool. They got some old-timey things in here. Old building, and really cool place. But we're getting ready to head out, go out up to Highway 50.
That's it.
Yep. And then gonna make a left and head on over to the dam, so we can go see the dam road, the dam water, the dam trees, and all the things and above. So, but Aaron, what's been your favorite so far?
Heather's ready for these damn roads.
Oh, Heather definitely likes the damn roads for sure. Yeah, she likes to ride the damn roads with you.
I don't have a favorite. I mean, all these roads have been nice.
Yeah.
I love the views.
Yeah.
I've actually never been in this part of Colorado, so it's really,
Yeah,
really
it's all
good.
new. Yeah, yeah, it is
Love the
definitely.
views. I didn't realize New Mexico,
I know,
New
right?
Mexico looked that nice. I always
Yeah, you always think of New Mexico
desert.
Yeah, kind of like everybody thinks about Oklahoma. Everybody thinks that we live in teepees and log cabins out on prairie lands.
We pretty much do.
Well, I guess we kind of do. We do still have a lot of cattle and grazed land that we all kind of live on. But yeah, so. But we're getting ready to take off and head out. Thank you again for being a part of it. Thank you for the butt pucker moments on the roads together on these switchbacks that are really tight. If you're not a motorcycle rider, again, you might want to challenge yourself to come up here and try it, but don't be your first time to do it.
No.
Yeah, not the first time.
Lots of good glutes at the end of this trip from all the
squeezing glutes. I will too, from all the ice cream that we're eating, because we're on this kick of eating ice cream every single day, and hence why we're here right now, to eat more ice cream. So there we go. All right, see you on the other side. We are on our way out of Lake City, Colorado. What an amazing place to stay.
Yep.
We stayed there a couple of times when we were younger, and it is just so beautiful. It's grown so much from when we first started staying there.
We camped there several times.
Yeah.
It was really beautiful.
There's a back road that takes you over the Continental Divide area back there that takes you to the city of Silverton and then over to Ouray, Colorado, which... I said it right?
You did. Good job.
Okay.
Well, I think.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
We always continue to mess those up. But
Look, I'm on my phone. Shocker.
Yeah, you do like your podcast.
Yep.
That's for sure.
I do.
That is too funny. But yeah, we, as you could tell, we ate at the saloon, and it was so amazing. The ice cream was unbelievable.
Yeah, that wasn't at the saloon though. That was a different spot.
Yeah, it was definitely at a different spot. But
the food at the saloon was really, really good, and they had gluten free, so that was always a win.
Yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And then the hummingbirds, they were just everywhere. They were swarming all those flower pots. It was really cool to be able to get up close and personal with them and being able to film them. That close, almost to the point that you could pet them.
This
like,
river
it was
is
pretty
so
crazy.
beautiful that we're driving by right now.
Yeah, that is Lake Fork River that is going through this canyon, and it is an unbelievable canyon. If I could just recommend taking this Highway 149 out of Lake City we're heading up to Lake City Bridge, which connects you over to Highway 50, and Highway 50 is a major thoroughfare through Colorado. So if you know anything about Colorado, it goes from Montrose over to Gunnison, through Monarch Pass, over to Salida, and then further on over east into the other side of Colorado. And so, but it is an amazing view through here. You can see, it looks like these walls are going to come down on top of you. And I really tried to have it where the clouds kind of press down on it too as well from a scenery perspective. And so hopefully you get the gravity of what that looks like from the video. But yeah, I mean, this canyon is just unreal.
Beautiful. Absolutely. I mean, it's just...
You can just sit here and just watch it.
Yeah, I can't... Like, sometimes you can't put into words how beautiful those areas were that we drove through. And it doesn't... Really, video does not do it justice sometimes. But the rivers that wind through there are just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. And the trees, of course, everything.
Yeah, when you first come out of Lake City, the canyons part are kind of almost flat with you.
Yeah.
They're really almost level with the road, and so you get to kind of travel along with the river. But then as you kind of progress further up, the lake actually drops much lower, and then it becomes like a canyon inside of a canyon.
Yeah.
And it is breathtaking.
Yeah.
Like, I wish we would have stopped.
Yeah.
That was the one thing.
I'm noticing it must have been pretty cold that day, so it's probably why we didn't stop, because we both have our jackets on.
No, it was. I mean, it was somewhat cold, but it wasn't too bad. But I think we were pressed because remember, this is the day that we had to drive a long way, and
because I would have liked to have stayed in Lake City a little bit longer, because it is such a neat little town.
Yeah, and just to been able to pull over here and jump in the water, we could have skinny dipped.
No.
Okay.
Nobody wants to see that.
Yeah, that's true. I would agree, but that would have brought us back to our roots of the Wild Hogs movie.
Oh yeah.
You know, when they all jump in.
One.
No, not us. Okay. I tried, guys. I tried, but not going to happen. But yeah, this is really a cool drive through here, and I just continue to be amazed by Colorado. You go from one place. We came from Wolf Creek Pass, which, by the way, check out our videos from Wolf Creek Pass. I know. Yeah, it's a good little jingle, but check that one out. We also have the Great Divide too as well. That's before this one. I will post those links in our description, but you can see them here. Hey, you just mentioned that song from Wolf Creek Pass, and I'm really excited for the latter part of our video here. Not too long from now, we're going to feature Dustin Arbuckle and the Damnations.
Yeah.
It is a really cool group. If you ever get a chance and they come to your town, you have to go see them.
Yep.
They do some bluegrass
Yep.
songs, and they
We
do
saw 'em
kind of
at Maggie's and Jinx.
Yeah, we did.
And a
Yep.
couple years ago, and they're really good.
Yeah, they're I think they're from the Wichita, Kansas area, so they travel around in really the central states. But again, if you get a
The
chance,
guy can play harmonica.
oh man, I'm
It is
telling you,
crazy.
it is unbelievable. So hang on to this video. Make sure that you continue to watch all the way through, so that way you can listen to his song. Plays really well with our ride too as well. So we're definitely wanting to feature him. But look, that's what I was talking about. You can see over here to the right, those canyons, they got deeper.
Yeah, they
the
started
water level
building.
is a lot lower from us comparatively to where we were when we first came out of Lake City. And again, I wish we would have pulled off like on little stops like that just went by us, because it would have been breathtaking just to be able to see. Also, I could have had an opportunity to put the drone down there.
Yeah.
That would have been cool.
True.
Speaking of the drone, unfortunately, from this point forward, until we get to Canyon City, I lost all my drone footage because I accidentally deleted them.
We don't know really what happened to it, but
Yeah.
I think we might have accidentally deleted
Check
it.
this out. Look.
Yeah, that's cool.
Woo! That is awesome down there. How amazing is
There was
that?
tons of people hiking and stuff down in there too. That was really
Yep.
neat.
Kayaking, all kinds of things down there. And so, but yeah, unfortunately, the drone footage that I have going through some canyons, waterways and stuff, and actually even up on Independence Pass, which will be probably a couple of videos from now. And you talk about an amazing pass. That is going to be one to remember and one to watch when we get to it. And so, but yeah, this is after we get to the bridge up here, then we make our way over to the dam, which we kind of mentioned that earlier. It's the Blue Mesa Dam here in Colorado. And so it is unbelievable sights to see. So you need to make sure that you hang on, continue to watch the video. We really appreciate you being a part of our channel. We will finally come to a name here soon. But thank you again for all the participation, all the comments, and being a part of our channel. Thank you so much.
Like and subscribe.
Well, I'm marching across the desert on a road made of broken bones. Oh, I'm bound for greener pastures, but I'm traveling all alone, traveling all alone, traveling all alone. Oh, I've been battered by the rain, and I've been painted by the sun. Oh, I've walked 1,000 miles, but I feel like I've just begun, like I've just begun, like I've just begun. to fight.